Get that from me, Gerald. What? Who's Gerald? Where the heck is Gerald? Bro, she got me messed up talking about, get that from me, Gerald. Who is that? I got something for you. You gonna keep snoring too?
I done came down, hold up.